Can you believe it has been over 2 months since my last video? But I'm back. Hey friends, welcome back to Regular Secular Mama. If you're new here, I am a homeschooling mom to 2 kiddos who are currently ages 9 and 11 years old. We have just started our 6th year of homeschooling, and so far it's been going well. So much has happened since my last video. We've moved across the country, we've moved into an RV, we've started school again, and I was hoping that I could post at least a little bit over the summer during our move and everything, but it was just crazy, guys. It just wasn't gonna happen. A couple of things: my YouTube anniversary came up in August, so yay! Thank you so much if you have stuck with me this long and have subscribed and have been following my channels. Your support means so much to me. Now we are sitting at over 1,600 subscribers, and to some of you big YouTubers out there that doesn't sound like a lot, but to me it's amazing, and I just never would have dreamed that it would have gotten this big in a year when I just kind of started this on a whim. Just to catch you up a little bit, we moved from Texas to Florida, and from a decent sized 3-bed, 2-bath house on over an acre lot to full-time RV living. So that's been fun. Talk about stress. We have dealt with air conditioner issues. We had a couple of blowouts on the drive here. We've had kitty digestive problems. So it's been crazy. We just settled into a beautiful RV park here in Florida. We really like it here. We're here for a couple of months at least, and hopefully we get taken off the waiting list for the season. We didn't realize how crazy the seasonal RV spots get here in Florida. I don't know why that didn't even cross our mind, but hopefully we'll get it. I think we're next up on the list. We'll see. We just closed on the sale of our house in Texas, so that was really exciting. It was a huge weight off our shoulders and a relief to get it over with. We're really enjoying finding our way around our new area and trying to meet some new friends and get into some new activities. Maybe not quite so much the bugs, but you know, it's Florida. With all the craziness going on this summer, of course, our summer break was way longer than the 4 weeks we normally take off. We kind of do a year-round homeschool where we take a shorter summer break because of the heat in Texas, and we just take weeks off wherever we feel like it, and then we take a much longer break in the winter. Of course, the summer was crazy, so we took I think we had at least 2 months. I don't know, it was a lot. So we started a couple of weeks ago. That's been going really well. I was a little nervous about RVing and homeschooling and how the two would mesh, but it's going really well. We've got a pretty good system and routine. We're now in our 4th week, so we've got a good groove going. We've got a routine. We've kind of kept an organization system. I was nervous about how it was going to go in an RV, but I think it's going really well, so I might have some videos up soon for you on how that particular thing is going, you know, RVing / homeschooling. If you're interested in something like that, definitely leave a comment down below and I'll bump it up my, priority list. I don't see my channel heading in the direction of full-time RV life, partly because I'm not sure how long we will actually be living full-time in an RV, and because that's not what I saw happening for this channel when I started this. I really like where I'm at now. I like the content that I'm putting out, and I think that it is adding value to this homeschool space. But of course, I want to hear from you viewers what you want, because that's why I'm here. So please give me a comment down below. Tell me what kind of content you are looking to see, more of the same. Are you interested in RV life type of videos, or even just homeschooling in such a small, tiny space? My goal is to get you 1 new video a week on Fridays and get back into that routine. I've got a few ideas planned, but let me know down below what you want to see in the coming weeks. I hope everyone's school year is going well and learning is in full swing and memories are being made. If you're looking for more, you can check out this playlist with videos on curriculum we've used. I can't wait to hear from you and to see you again next week. Bye!